Disadvantages of WordPress. 1. Security vulnerabilities. Open source nature makes it prone to hacking, frequent updates are required. 2. Performance issues. Heavy themes and too many plugins can slow down websites. 3. Customization complexity. Advanced customization requires coding knowledge, too many plugin options can be overwhelming. 4. Plugin dependency. Excessive reliance on plugins can cause conflicts, security risks, and slowdowns. 5. Regular maintenance. Frequent updates and backups are necessary. Technical issues can arise during updates. 6. Scalability challenges. Larger sites may experience performance problems and require optimization. 7. Hidden costs. Premium themes, plugins, and hiring developers add to the cost. 8. SEO challenges. Requires plugins for SEO. Incorrect settings can hurt performance.